Good morning, students. Welcome back in your chemistry class. Now, let's begin with part 6 of metals and non-metals. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the chemical reactions of metals with water and with oxygen. Now, in this video, we will discuss the reactions of metals with acid. So, it starts with this activity. The apparatus is arranged in such a way. You can see this is a test tube which is fixed with this iron stand. And in this test tube, zinc granule is taken and some dilute sulfuric acid is added here. This is a delivery tube which is fixed with this cork in the test tube, and this delivery tube is inserted in a jar containing soap solution. When bubbles form of hydrogen gas just above the surface of zinc granules, this hydrogen gas then passed through this delivery tube, and from there it comes to soap solution, and you can see that bubbles are rising up, and as you are bringing a burning splinter, it burns with the pop sound, which is the confirmation of hydrogen gas. So in this way you can check that what happens when metals react with sulfuric acid. Even you can do the same activity with the simple jar. You can take a simple beaker. In that also you can do the same activity like metal. You can take any metal, you can take like zinc granules you have taken here suppose, and then you are adding suppose acid solution. You will find that bubbles formation takes place, and as you bring burning matchstick, it will burn with the pop sound. It is very interesting to see when you do this experiment in the lab. Nowadays you are not going in lab, but when you will go, as the school will open, you will just do this experiment, and then you will find how interesting the experiment is. You can do the same experiment even in the test tube also, but you have to be very particular about when you are holding the test tube. You always should hold it with the tongs. See, how do metals react with acid? As you know that metals when react with acid, it forms salt and hydrogen gas. As you have seen in the case of activity that hydrogen gas is evolved, and the solution which is left there, that is the salt solution. So remember to learn these word equations. It will be helpful for you to write chemical equations. This magnesium when reacts with HCl, it forms magnesium chloride. The formula is MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas. The reaction is balanced here. You can see MgCl2 and H2, and that is why 2 is written here. Next reaction you can see with aluminium. When aluminium reacts with HCl, it forms aluminium chloride, that is AlCl3. This is the formula of aluminium chloride, and hydrogen gas is evolved here. Then zinc when reacts with HCl, it forms zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Whenever you write the reaction, always see the number which is written in subscript. As you have learned in case of the balancing of equation, you cannot change it because these are the formula you will learn as it is. A number in front of the molecule you can write while balancing the equation. Some more reaction you can see here. First of all, see the reaction of sodium with hydrochloric acid. This is Na, sodium, plus HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, forms NaCl plus H2. It is sodium chloride, common salt, and the reaction is balanced. Next is iron. When iron reacts with HCl, it forms iron 2 chloride plus hydrogen gas. Why it is iron 2 chloride? Because the formula is FeCl2. What does it indicate? That iron has two valency here. And you know that iron has two valency, iron 2 and iron 3. It means because FeCl2 is written here, means the valency is 2 here. That is why it is iron 2 chloride. And see, the reaction is balanced. Here 2 is written to balance the reaction. Now you can see H and Cl 2 and here Cl2 and H2. Then this is magnesium. When magnesium reacts with, here the reaction is given with the sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. When magnesium reacts with sulfuric acid, the salt which is formed here, it is MgSO4 magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas evolves here, and the reaction is balanced here. Next, aluminium. When it reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms aluminium sulfate. See the formula of aluminium sulfate, Al2SO4 whole thrice. As aluminium has 3 valency and sulfate has 2 valency, so formula is Al2SO4 whole thrice. And for balancing the equation, you can see Al2 here, so 2 you can write here, and SO4 thrice here, so 3 you can write here, and even you can write 3 in front of this H2 to balance the equation. Here 3 will be written. Now see, how do metals react with HNO3, that is nitric acid? When metals react with nitric acid, in all cases hydrogen gas is not evolved. Why is it so? Because nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. So it oxidizes the hydrogen gas produced to water, and itself it gets reduced to form any of the nitrogen oxides. Only two metals, which are magnesium and manganese, when these two metals react with very dilute HNO3, then hydrogen gas is evolved. See the reaction, this is magnesium. When it reacts with nitric acid, that is HNO3, it forms magnesium nitrate, that is MgNO3 whole twice. The valency of NO3 is 1 minus and Mg has 2 plus. The formula will be MgNO3 whole twice plus H2. And you see that reaction is balanced here, 2 hydrogen and 2 NO3. But as it is given that metals when react to nitric acid, hydrogen gas is not evolved, you can see the case of zinc. When zinc reacts with nitric acid is oxidizes hydrogen to form water, and itself it reduced to form oxide of nitrogen. You can see the reaction. Zinc plus nitric acid gives zinc nitrate plus nitrogen dioxide and plus H2O. See, the reaction is balanced here. Zinc single atom here, and H4, you can see 2H2, it's balanced. Then NO3 4, NO3 2, and then 2N here, 4N and O 12. You can see 3 to the 6 and 2 to the 4, 6 4 10, and this is 2 12. So the reaction is balanced. Whenever you will write the reactions, you have to take care that always write the balanced chemical equation. Let's see about aqua regia. What is aqua regia? Aqua regia is a freshly prepared mixture of hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid in ratio 3:1. You know, gold cannot be dissolved in any of the acid. If you will try to dissolve gold or try to react gold with hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, or the sulfuric acid, it does not react. It does not dissolve in that. But when it is mixed, when nitric acid and hydrochloric acid is mixed, in which hydrochloric acid is taken in ratio 3 and nitric acid in ratio 1, then the mixture which is prepared, in that mixture gold can be dissolved. And this mixture, aqua regia, is a highly corrosive in nature, and it is one of the few reagents that is able to dissolve gold and platinum. That's all for today. Thank you.